I'm Jen with the Travel Women, and welcome to Quebec City. Kelley and I are New Yorkers, and we are here exploring with our local tour guide.
Bonjour l'Internet, je m'appelle Marie-Pierre. My name is Marie-Pierre. I'm a tour guide here in beautiful Quebec City that you see all around you. So it's been 4 years now that I'm a tour guide here. I was born and raised here in this beautiful city, so I'm very happy that you get to see it.
Thank you so much for walking with us. We're gonna walk around this beautiful hotel. Tell me more about what makes this special.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So just in here we have the famous Chateau Frontenac, the Frontenac Hotel. So it was built in 1893 as a hotel, so to accommodate passengers that were traveling with cruise ships. So very, very luxurious cruise ships. They were coming in here to explore Canada, but they didn't want to stay 15 nights inside the train. They wanted to explore each cities they were crossing, like most visitors do. So in Canada we have this line of very prestigious hotels from coast to coast. So that's how Quebec City got the Chateau Frontenac about 125 years ago. Montreal got the Queen Elizabeth, Ottawa the Chateau Laurier, and so on to the west. Right now it has 611 rooms. It's a 5-star hotel. So even Justin Trudeau has a suite inside. Did you know?
I did not know that. I did not.
Also, so famous Celine Dion has her very own suite inside.
I did not know that. Where's our suite? Where's our suite? I'm sure that it's coming. It's coming soon. Okay.
All right. So around us right now, we're on the different terrace, la terrasse du Frein. It's a beautiful boardwalk where visitors and locals get to meet, get to talk, get to walk on the sunny day like today, and a stunning view over the river, the St. Lawrence River. We have just on the other side over there.
Gorgeous.
And today we have 2 cruise ships coming in. So we have cruise ships during spring, right now, summer, and by the end of fall, they're all gone home to the Caribbean. But here we come, they are right here in Quebec City.
Awesome. And what makes Quebec so French in French Canada? Tell us more about the French angle.
Parfait. That's a great question. My city here has 400 years, and it was established by a French explorer named Samuel de Champlain in 1608. So Champlain came here to create a fur trade post. It was the main economy at the time. So the place here was called Nouvelle France, New France. You got New England in the US.
Yeah.
We have New France in here. So that's the French started in here as for the first fur traders. In a few minutes we're going to see Samuel de Champlain just in front of us with the with the statue in front of us. How cute. So we've been under a French regime for about 150 years. Then the British came, and we became a British colony for about 100 years or so. Then 1867 is the Confederation, when we started to be a more independent country. Last year we celebrated the 150th anniversary of Canada. So, and we had to fight very, very hard, French speakers, to keep our French alive, our French culture alive. But that doesn't make us really French. I mean, I speak French, but I don't share the French culture. So most Quebecois around here, yes, there is a little bit of French culture, but English, British, British, Scottish, Irish, and native culture as well.
So you learn French in school. Do you learn it first before English?
Actually, most of us in here in Quebec City, for like 95% of the population here, French is the language we use every day, that we have at home, just like you guys, your mother spoke to you in English. So for us it's in French, and school, it's the law to have school in French. Then you have English courses as a second language.
That's awesome.
Yes. So
great way to learn a language, to have it all ingrained. Yeah.
Exactly. So, but I feel that most people that can really have a good conversation, they put the extra effort to it. So they traveled, they had more conversations, and they watch a lot of Netflix.
That's so true. Netflix. Awesome. Well, this has been so great. If you had to tell people one thing about Quebec City that makes it so special and so different, what would would it be?
I just have to say one thing.
Or multiple things.
I would say the unique Quebecois culture. So the Quebecois represent people that live here in the province of Quebec, and everything that makes us special to be in such a European-looking neighborhood around here, and also have this strong identity, which is different from our friends from the other provinces in Canada and the US. So it's hard to really say in a few seconds, in a few minutes, how we, the Quebecois, are different. But you have to come and see us to see for yourself.
The perfect answer. It's so true. It feels like you're in a mini Europe, a mini Paris.
Feels like you're in France.
I love it. I love it. So you can travel to Europe, but it's so much closer here. And thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
It was a pleasure.
Take tours with this girl. She is so great. Link below. Thank you so much. And
Au revoir.
Merci.
Au revoir.
Merci
Perfect.
l'Internet.
Merci.
Au revoir.